Sounds good.
Hello, and welcome to today's review. I'm the Crafty Yarnista, and we will be discussing my 2024 Advent Kit from Barnyard Knits. Let's start with the base of the yarn. I'm pleased with the fingering weight base. It's soft. It seems to have good twist and structure to the fingering weight set. I am, however, overall disappointed with the Advent set itself for a couple reasons. First of all, most of the Advent sets that I've received in the past have a coordinated theme for the Advent kit itself. That might be colors of the rainbow. It might be some inspiration from a mood board. It might be a theme from a movie. This kit seems to be all over the board in terms of colorways, which makes it very difficult for adoption in one of the Advent patterns that are available on Ravelry. A couple other things that I was disappointed with. One of the mini skeins was completely undyed, and I found that really disappointing. If you're going to the effort to purchase a hand-dyed mini skein set, then I certainly feel that all of the mini skeins should have been dyed. The other complaint that I have is with the coordinating full skein. You'll notice that, first of all, this is not my colorway, but setting that topic aside, most of the Advent kits that I've received in the past, the full skein coordinates with the previous mini skeins. So often if you think about the patterns, the full skein is used in between those individual mini skeins and ties the project together. This would certainly not work as a coordinating fabric for the mini skeins that I received. So I'm very disappointed overall. The Advent set did come with a couple little extras. There were some stitch markers. There were some tapestry needles for weaving in ends. So a nice little bonus there on the final day. So in summary, would I buy yarn from Barnyard Knits again? Yes. I would not purchase an Advent kit again. I would purchase the yarn if it was something that I could see the colorway and have control over the coordination. But I just did not feel that this set works well with one another. Again, that coordinating full skein was not something that could tie the other mini skeins together. Hope this has been helpful for you, and look for our other pattern and product reviews.